if you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess?
What is going on, guys? This is the start to the March 2022 PC parts hunt. Right off the bat, I was able to get this GTX 970 4GB card for just $185. But this is the first GTX 970 Strix card that I've seen with only one 8-pin, which is pretty weird because usually that is a Strix card is 6 plus 8. Like the one video I did where I built a PC for my girlfriend, yeah, that card uses a 6 and an 8, so I don't know. I also pick up a EVGA 600BR from Canada Computers for $45. Well, $40 because I had a $5 coupon on my account. Well, that's a pretty good deal. And right now I'm just waiting for the GTX 960 guy to get back to me so I could go get that. I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so I just picked up this GTX 960 2GB card. It's 2GB, but it's fine because it's a 960. It still provides great performance, and it has a backplate to it, and it's a 3-fan card, so I guess paying $120 for it is not that bad, because usually I only pay $100 for it. But this is a really nice card, and it's actually relatively clean, so I guess it's okay. I'm gonna put this in one of my budget builds that I'm gonna flip. Okay guys, so on the way back, I was able to find a Ryzen 5 3600 inside this Ryzen 750 700 box anyways for just $150. It's a pretty good deal considering these go for like $240 usually used on Facebook, and I paid like $150 for a Ryzen 5 3500 like a week ago, so this is a really good deal. I'm gonna plan to use this with a RTX 2060 build. So that obviously I'm gonna make a video on because my first time building something that's close to $1,000 Canadian mark. So yeah, stay tuned for that, coming very soon. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that RTX 2060 tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then.
I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun, yeah.
Okay guys, so I just picked up this RTX 2060, and don't worry, I have checked the box, it is inside. And the guy also showed me a video of it working, so that's pretty good. So this will be a part of one of my very expensive build videos, which is coming out very soon. I just need to wait for the motherboard and the RAM to arrive. So yeah, stay subscribed to watch this video. So now I'll see you guys when I pick up the motherboard on the weekends. Okay guys, so after that gym session, this NX 1000 NX 1000K finally arrived, but my arm is so sore right now after that, so I'm just gonna leave the box at the front door. I can't really pick it up, it's quite heavy. Yeah, but yeah, so this is gonna be for the RTX 2060 PC. Here, move out of the way a little bit. So this is what it looks like basically, the RGB fan in the back. Yeah, I got this for $90 for the RTX 2060 PC. So stay tuned for that video. It will be really awesome.
I just wanna have some fun, yeah.
Alright guys, so I just came back from picking up 16 gigabytes of DDR4. It's clocked at 2133 CL15. So that was $50. And then I pick up these two B450M AC motherboards, brand new from Canada Computers, for just I think around $80 each. These ones are with Wi-Fi too, so I think $80 is pretty worth it considering they work with up to 5000 series CPUs. So I'm gonna use one of these for the RTX 2060 video.
Alright guys, so to conclude this month's parts hunt, I ordered this kit of 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, 3600 MHz for just 95 Canadian dollars. So I have it right here, so let's try to open it and show you guys before I end this month's parts hunt. So I cut the tape open already because it will be easier for me to open it with just one hand. So here is the RAM, looking pretty nice. I'll be using this with the RTX 2060 PC, so stay subscribed and click on that bell notification and like this video to see that video getting posted soon.